This tutorial will inshallah teach you how to download and install SalamGuard, an application that will help you block all haram and any distracting sites on your computer with a few simple clicks. First, download and save the installer on your computer, and once it's finished downloading, go ahead and open it. Double-click the SalamGuard icon. Usually apps would open at this stage, but because SalamGuard is not officially signed as a Mac application, it requires an additional safety step. A prompt will open up for you that may look something like this. Go ahead and close out of the prompt. Next, navigate to the Apple logo on the top left side of your screen and click System Settings. Within System Settings, navigate down to Privacy and Security. Next, find the Security section and make sure that you are allowing applications from App Store and known developers. Underneath the prompt that says SalamGuard was blocked to protect your Mac, click Open Anyway. Now confirm the prompt on the screen and either use your fingerprint ID or your password to continue. SalamGuard should now open successfully on your computer, and as you can see, it has already run a scan to check if haram sites are blocked. I have not yet run the blocker, so I'm going to click Block Sites. I will be prompted to enter my password because SalamGuard is now blocking over 50,000 pornographic websites at a system level. Once the block is finished, I will be shown a prompt confirming that it has been successful. Although pornographic sites are now blocked, SalamGuard still has a lot yet to offer. The screen you see here is for custom website blocking, which allows you to have a more productive browsing experience by blocking any website that you may deem questionable or unproductive. For example's sake, let's block TikTok.com. As you can see, TikTok is currently working fine on my computer. If I go back to the SalamGuard application, to the Quick Block section, and type in TikTok.com to block it, I will be prompted for my password. And once I enter it, we can now see that it is within the blocked site section. To test if this worked, we can head back to TikTok.com and refresh the page. As you can see, the site can no longer be reached. If I'd like to reverse this, I can easily head back to the SalamGuard application and click Unblock. As we can see, if I head back to TikTok and refresh the page, the website is now working again. In short, that's how SalamGuard works. It's an extremely simple app that's just meant to make your browsing experience more productive. Do keep in mind, however, that although SalamGuard does block a good amount of explicit content, it does not nearly block all explicit content. So this app should only be used as a supplement to one's own efforts and shouldn't be relied on entirely. Thank you for watching, and please do share this with anyone who may benefit.